Have you ever been applying for a loan or a new credit card only to be met with a mysterious number that seems to hold immense power over your financial life? That number, my friends, is your credit score. It's a 3-digit representation of your creditworthiness, a beacon to lenders that silently screams responsible borrower or risky business. But what if you don't have much credit history, or worse, have some blemishes on your report? Building good credit can feel like an uphill battle, shrouded in mystery and confusing jargon. Luckily, in Canada, there's a helpful tool called Borrowell that can shed some light on this whole credit score situation. So, how exactly can Borrowell help you navigate the often murky waters of credit? Buckle up, because in this video, we're diving deep into what Borrowell offers and how you can leverage it to take control of your financial future. First things first, let's address the elephant in the room, free credit score. Yes, you heard that right. Borrowell provides you with your Equifax credit score, one of the 2 major credit bureaus in Canada, absolutely free of charge. You can check your score weekly, which is a fantastic way to stay on top of your credit health. But Borrowell goes beyond just a simple number. They also offer a free Equifax credit report. This report details your credit history, including things like your credit accounts, payment history, and any inquiries made. Reviewing your report regularly allows you to identify any errors or suspicious activity that could be dragging your score down. Early detection is key, and Borrowell empowers you to be proactive about your credit. Okay, so free credit score and report, that's pretty cool. But what if your credit score isn't exactly bragworthy? Fear not, Borrowell has your back. They offer a credit builder product designed specifically to help you establish or improve your credit score. Here's the gist. You make bi-weekly payments into a secured savings account, and Borrowell reports your on-time payments to Equifax. Over time, this consistent positive track record can give your credit score a much-needed boost. Let's be honest, building credit can feel slow and tedious. But Borrowell gamifies the process a bit. They provide you with personalized insights and tips to help you understand your credit score and factors affecting it. They even set goals and track your progress, making the journey towards creditworthiness a little more engaging. Now, some of you might be wondering, is there a catch? What's the hidden fee? Here's the beauty of Borrowell, their core services are completely free. The Credit Builder product does have a monthly fee, but it's important to remember you're essentially building a safety net for your financial future. Plus, you get your money back in full at the end of the term, making it a worthwhile investment. However, it's important to note that Borrowell isn't a magic bullet. It's a tool, and like any tool, its effectiveness depends on how you use it. Here are some key takeaways to maximize your Borrowell experience. Check your credit score regularly. This allows you to monitor your progress and identify any potential issues early on. Review your credit report thoroughly. Look for errors and discrepancies that could be impacting your score. Utilize the Credit Builder product strategically. If you're looking to build or improve your credit, consistent on-time payments are key. Take advantage of Borrowell's educational resources. They offer valuable information to help you understand credit and make informed financial decisions. Remember, building good credit is a marathon, not a sprint. Borrowell can be a valuable companion on this journey, providing the tools and resources you need to take charge of your financial well-being. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay informed and empowered.